Hello everybody and welcome to our first celebration assembly of Term 6. I know that you've all been working really hard at home on your Google Classroom learning, and we've been especially proud of all the children that have come into school and are continuing to show that Martello way and work as hard as they can. So well done to everybody. Next week is a very special week. It is Diversity Week. Now, Diversity Week is a way for us as adults and children to celebrate the diversity in our community and in the people around us. And that means that there are people that have different backgrounds, belong to different communities, and it's important that we at Martello remember that whoever you are, wherever you're from, that when you come to Martello, you are part of our family. We love you, we care for you, and you belong as part of our family and our community. So next week, we are looking forward to celebrating all of the different diverse parts of our lives and different parts of our families all together at Martello. Now, without further ado, we are going to start with our Reception Heart Award winner. And this week it is Oscar Wenham for his fabulous progress in his read, write, ink and his reading. This week we are very proud of you, Oscar, and I know that Miss Maynard has been particularly impressed with how hard you've worked. So well done. In year 1, we have Zach, who has been incredibly motivated in all of his learning this week. He has worked very hard to improve his reading and his writing. So well done you, Zach. In year 2, we have Scarlett, that not only is one of the best dressed young ladies I've ever seen, she has been showing incredible effort in her learning and has just got on with it without any fuss and showing that Martello way of resilience and hard work. So well done. In year 3, we have Mattia, who has had a fantastic start to her Martello career. She has been incredibly enthusiastic about her spelling and her writing work, so well done. In year 4, we have Callum, and I know that Miss Kate has been incredibly proud of the effort that he's put into his Google Classroom learning. So well done, Callum, keep it up. In year 5, we have Gareth, who really has impressed us all this week by the effort and care he takes in his writing. I've been lucky enough to see some of his hard work, and what's impressed us the most is that not only has he put all of his effort in, he has worked hard to improve, listen to feedback and try even harder. So well done you, Gareth. In year 6, we have Summer, who is just fabulous all of the time, but in particular this week has shown real enthusiasm to all aspects of her learning. So well done, Summer. So our value VIPs this week in reception, we have James, who has shown some real resilience in his writing. I know that he's been really proud to show off what he's achieved, and we are all really pleased with the progress that he's made. In year 1, we have Ben, who has shown real resilience in all of his learning, in particular adjusting to coming back to school after a long time away, but he's also for working hard to achieve in his reading and maths. So well done, Ben. In year 2, Miss Rigdon is particularly impressed with Ojas, who I know puts so much effort into his Google Classroom learning and uploading lots of fabulous work, and just shows how hard he is working at home. So well done you, Ojas. In year 3, we have Mohammed, who has worked incredibly hard to get onto his Google Classroom and achieve the learning that's been on there. He's been really enthusiastic about everything he's been doing. So well done you, Mohammed. In year 4, we have Elif, who's not only worked really hard this week, which we're really proud of, but something that's incredibly important is that she has had the courage to say that she doesn't understand something and has asked for clarification of what she needs to do, and then listen to that feedback and then tried out what she needs to do. So well done you, Edith. In year 5, we have Jack, who has had a fabulous start to his Martello career. Again, another fabulous new pupil to Martello. He has worked really hard, and it's like he's always been here. He has fitted in straight away and has worked very hard to get on with his learning and just show all of the right behaviour. So well done you, Jack. We're proud of you. And in year 6, we have Lila, who has shown some fabulous courage in attempting all of her learning this week, even if she's found it hard, especially in maths. But she has also shown the courage, just like Elif, to just ask if she's not sure and just to find out exactly what she needs to do. So well done, everybody who has worked hard at home or in school this week. I know things continue to be a little bit different, but we've just been proud of how well everybody's got on, how positive they've been in their learning, so well done. Here at Martello this afternoon, we're having a very special, exciting afternoon to celebrate all of those children that have been working hard in school and just remind ourselves that we are a family. We are Martello, we work together, we help and support each other. And we are particularly looking forward to Diversity Week next week so that we can show the world just how caring we are as a community, as a family, and just how supportive we are of each other. So keep up the hard work, have a fabulous weekend, and we'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.